All right, so we're diving deep today into the Nike Air Max 1000.
Definitely a hot topic.
Yeah, and we've got a ton of material to go through, articles, interviews, design sketches, the whole shebang.
The works.
The works, exactly. So this isn't just your average sneaker drop. This is something different.
For sure. This is Nike pushing the boundaries again. Not just in terms of tech, but also the whole design philosophy.
Right. So let's start with the basics. What makes the Air Max 1000 so groundbreaking?
Well, the Air Max 1000 is all about this crazy fusion of cutting-edge tech with that classic Air Max style. But it's not just a facelift. They've really reimagined the whole concept from the ground up.
Okay, so it's more than just slapping some new tech on an old shoe. You mentioned a supercharged design process. What's so different this time around?
This time they brought in a partner, Zellerfeld. They're a 3D printing company that's doing some really innovative work, especially with sustainable materials.
3D printing, so the whole shoe is 3D printed? That's pretty wild.
Yeah, the entire thing, which is a huge leap forward. I mean, 3D printing allows for a level of customization and complexity that you just can't get with traditional manufacturing.
I hate to imagine. But 3D printing can also be kind of rough and plasticky, right? I'm picturing those early 3D printed models, not exactly known for comfort.
I know what you mean. But Zellerfeld's process is different. They use this unique plant-based TPU that's fully recyclable and incredibly soft and flexible.
TPU.
Thermoplastic polyurethane. It's got this amazing combination of softness, durability, and responsiveness. It can handle the demands of a performance sneaker, but still feels amazing on your foot.
Okay, so they've got the material down.
Yeah.
But how do they actually design and build the shoe? Do they just scan an old Air Max and hit print?
Not even close. It's way more involved than that. There's a whole team of designers and engineers behind this project, and they basically built a digital model of the shoe from scratch.
From scratch.
Yeah.
So they're not just relying on the old blueprints, they're reimagining everything.
Exactly. They're taking classic Air Max elements like the airbag and the Mudguard wave and reinterpreting them for this new 3D printed structure.
The airbag and Mudguard wave. Can you break those down for us? What makes them so important to the Air Max legacy?
Sure. So the airbag is obviously the heart and soul of the Air Max. It's that iconic visible window into Nike's Air technology, which revolutionized the industry back in the day.
Right, visible air. It's like a signature for Nike now.
Totally. And then the Mudguard wave adds that distinctive design element that Air Max fans love. It gives the shoe that classic wavy look.
So with the Air Max 1000, they're not just recreating those elements, they're evolving them.
Exactly. They're using 3D printing to take those features to the next level, both in terms of performance and aesthetics.
Okay, so we've talked about the design, the tech, the sustainability angle, but what about the actual experience of wearing these? The articles keep throwing around terms like insane comfort and responsiveness. What does that even mean? Is it something totally new, or have they achieved this before with other Air Max models?
It's definitely a combination of factors. You've got the 3D printed structure, which provides this almost custom-like fit. And then you've got that Zellerfeld material, which conforms to your foot like a second skin.
So it's like the shoe is molding to you?
Exactly. And then you add in Nike's Air technology, which provides that signature cushioning and support. And you get this incredible blend of soft cushioning and responsive support. It's unlike anything I've felt before.
It sounds pretty amazing. One of the designers, Derek Houng, said the feeling is almost impossible to describe.
Yeah, he said it's like combining opposites, soft yet responsive, plush yet supportive. It's kind of mind-blowing.
So how's the buzz around this release? Is this going to be like those limited edition drops where you got to camp out for a week to get a pair?
Pretty much. The Air Max 1000 is definitely a limited release, which is only adding to the hype. It's targeted at those sneakerheads who really appreciate innovation and heritage.
So if you want a pair, you better be ready to fight for it.
Or pay a hefty resale price.
All right. So to sum it all up, the Air Max 1000 is a pretty big statement from Nike. It's a testament to how technology is changing how we design and experience footwear.
Totally. It's not just about performance anymore. It's about sustainability, personalization, and creating a product that truly connects with the wearer on multiple levels.
And it's definitely got people talking, which is a good sign.
For sure. And it makes you wonder what's next. I mean, if Nike can achieve this level of innovation in footwear, imagine the possibilities for other industries.
That's a good point. It's like we're on the verge of this whole new era of personalized products. Could we see custom-fit clothing, 3D printed furniture, even personalized medical devices?
Exactly. The line between the digital and physical world is getting blurrier, and it's exciting to think about where we go from here.
It definitely feels like the future is now.
Couldn't agree more.
All right, well, that's our deep dive into the Nike Air Max 1000. Thanks for tuning in.
And keep those imaginations running wild times ahead.
Absolutely.
See you
later.
See you later.
If this tech tutorial was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. For more detail, you can visit our blog website www.evergreentechtips.com.